Hello, welcome to the tutorial for our digital escape rooms. Digital tour is another name for that, and I'm going to show you just kind of how they work. This may not be the exact same one that you are working on today. There are some directions here at the beginning. It says this activity is intended for all ages. It says you can do it by yourself or in a group. We recommend that you use a separate browser to avoid losing progress. I'm going to show you about that. And then here's a little blurb for parents. It says there are some clips on YouTube that you get to watch, but you do not have to in part of the escape room. Alright, so I'm going to click next right there to toggle through these puzzles. Here is a little fun information that you'll read. It welcomes you to the tour, and when you're done, you'll click next. Here's the first puzzle. It says, we start our tour deep in the ocean with a creepy looking deep sea shark with a name that fits best with Halloween. This shark can thrust its jaw 3 inches out of its mouth to capture prey with sharp nail-like teeth. So this is your clue. It doesn't tell you exactly, but which shark is this, and you're going to have to make your best guess based on the clue that it gave you up here. That's a creepy looking shark. The clue that I'm looking for is the one that says its name fits best with Halloween. A leopard shark, a goblin, tiger, or salmon. I'm going to click tiger. Really, I think it's goblin, but I'm going to show you what happens when you're not right. I'm going to click next, and it's going to say try again. You click back. What shark am I? Now I'm going to try goblin and click next, and it says, yep, you're right. Watch out, folks, it's a goblin shark. The stuff of nightmares, and there's a little video that you can watch, or you can just click next to go to the next puzzle. Do you see the shark swimming in the school of fish? That shark has the strongest bite of any shark. So this is the shark swimming in the school of fish. And then it says, look at the chart. What shark has the strongest bite? This is a particular question because it says shark. This chart has things that are not sharks. So the first one is a crocodile, but it doesn't ask about that. It asks about sharks. So this is important that you read your clues carefully, or you may get frustrated because you didn't read it enough to find the right answer. Alligator, hippopotamus, bull shark. So this is probably the one with the strongest bite. This is 1,350 psi. And it looks like that's probably the highest because this is a bear, this is a tiger, but I'm just comparing these numbers using my face value knowledge. So I'm going to find the bull shark. There it is. And next. Yep, that's a bull shark. It's known for its aggressive nature. And there's a video. I'm going to click next to get to the next puzzle. This one has the clue, but I also just want to show you, it says click on the link to look at the chart. Which shark is the second largest living shark? When I see a link like this, it's very important that we click on it the right way so that we don't lose the escape room. So you're going to right click until you get this menu. This menu is the menu you're going to use to open it, and you're going to click open link in new tab. That'll just open it in a new tab right up here at the top. And then you can click on that here and go to the article. It's so that you don't lose where you are here, which is what it said at the very, very beginning. So open it in a new tab. You can look at the picture. You can go back and forth between the two to answer. It says, what shark is the second largest living shark? So it looks like the whale shark is the first largest. So I'm going to try basking shark. And then click next. And I was right. So now I'm done with this chart that we just used, and I can close this tab, and I'm still in my escape room. There's a video, and I can click next. I'm going to keep working through each puzzle until I've reached the end and I've escaped the room or succeeded. I'm on page 12, and there's 28 little puzzles. So I'm just going to keep working at it, making sure that I'm opening the links in new tabs, watching videos in new tabs, and all that stuff until I beat the escape room. Yours will be a little bit different than this, but the same rules apply. Open links in new tabs and just work through the puzzles. Best of luck on your adventure.